guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I want to talk to you guys all about the company I want to talk to you guys all about the company Smile Brilliant. This is a at-home professional whitening kit. I was sent this about, I want to say about a month ago, if not less. I don't exactly remember when I was sent it, but I want to talk to you guys about this and how you guys can get your hands on this and if it really works and if it's worth your buck. So if you guys want to see what this is all about, then definitely keep on watching. So don't mind the makeup. I did not intend to have this makeup for this video. I wanted to have a really natural look, but then you guys insisted that I do the James Charles competition, so here we are. So for today's video, I want to talk to you guys all about Smile Brilliant. Now, I know I said a while ago that I was kind of done with working with anything other than makeup, but I did say that I did have something going on with a whitening teeth company. So I want to say back before my birthday, before my birthday, I actually got contacted by not only Smile, oh my god, not only by Smile Brilliant, but by Hi Smile and like 2 other whitening companies. And I was like, what are you guys trying to tell me? My teeth are yellow because you guys know I'm an avid coffee drinker. I don't know, but I read everything about the company and I was like, all right, I'm definitely want to try. My eyes freaking watering. I was like, all right, I'm definitely want to try because I do drink a lot of coffee. Now, teeth are a very, very sensitive subject for me. I do not like talking about my teeth. I know my teeth are not perfect. I know that they have their imperfections and I am prone to cavities. It's just the way my teeth are built. I have very, very weak enamel. So with that said, I am very, very like, this is a subject I don't like talking about. But I wanted to come on here and give you guys a very, very thorough review. So over the years, I have really fallen in love with coffee. I do drink wine, not red wine, but I drink coffee every single day. So I've noticed that over the years, my teeth have definitely progressed down and not been as white as they used to be. They started to turn like an off-white, almost yellowish because of how much coffee I drink. So when they reached out and said, hey, do you want to try this at-home whitening kit? I said, yeah, I'm down to try it because I used to do Crest white strips back in the day. And those are little like plastic strips you put on your teeth and you just like sit there for like 20 minutes and then you rip it off, and it always had like a really weird taste to it. I never cared for those whitening strips. One, they were expensive. At least in my mind, they're expensive because like for the hour ones, you're spending like $70 for like 7. And I was like, oh my God, I don't want to invest the money. So I would get like the $25 one that was like a 2-week treatment. Never did shit. All right, so then I thought about maybe going to my dentist and getting my teeth bleached, but I also then remember my friends doing it and they couldn't eat or drink certain things for like 2 or 3 days, and I was like, I can't go without having my coffee. Like I can go without having a lot of things, but if you're telling me I can't have my caffeine and my coffee, then I'm not doing it. So I asked point blank when I received the email, can I still drink my coffee? Is this going to affect my whitening process? And they said, no, it's not going to. So I was like, all right, what do you have to do? So this is the little box right here. Now, I've seen other videos about this company and they did such a great job in their videos, like taking pictures of their products. I did not. And that shows you how great I am. I actually generally just dove into this box and actually just went for it. Now, I'll definitely insert at-home videos that I took on my phone really showing me using the steps of this, but it is a at-home whitening process. It is $150, but you do get professional grade whitening. And the way they do it is that they send you this box, right? They send you a base paste and a catalyst paste. You mush it down into these little guys right here and you literally form fit your teeth. Like you form fit it to your teeth and then you mail it out to them and they'll send you like a retainer. So it kind of looks like you're getting like Invisalign. It comes in this little guy right here and then you get like these 2 little plastic little things that are shaped to your teeth. And if you mess up, because when I first put in the catalyst paste and the base, oh my God, it tasted horrible. I have a very, very tiny mouth, so trying to fit this in here was very difficult and I was gagging the whole process of it, and I looked at Corey and it's like, I can't do this. I truly cannot do this. I have such a tiny mouth and like trying to put like the stuff in here, I was gagging. I was able to make enough of an impression to send it out, and I'm very grateful that I did it. I'm grateful that I don't have to do that process again because, oh God, that was a process. Once you have that, you will take your whitening strip and you are going to open it up and you're going to sit here and push one little thin layer into your teeth, and then you'll place it right on in there just like that, you know. And then you leave it on your teeth for about 45 minutes to 3 hours, depending on how long you want to leave it on your teeth. Once you're done with the whitening process, you do take this out, you brush your teeth as normal, rinse this out with cold water, make sure it's completely dry, and then you want to sit here and put on the sensitivity gel. Now, you do not have to put on the sensitivity gel. It is an option, but I do highly recommend it because I have very, very sensitive teeth, so this was really beneficial to me. But I do recommend it. You'll again, once again, open this up, put a little small little thing right here, leave it on your teeth for 15 to 20 minutes. Again, it is completely up to you. So that's kind of how this whole process works, and like I said, I'll have a demonstration right here for you guys. No.
Why?
I'm scared.
Why are you scared?
I don't know. I don't want
It's
to
just
her.
gel. It's gel.
Day 2. Let the whitening commence. This time I'm going for an hour. Yay! Alright, so this is day 3.
I have no idea what you just said.
This is day 3. I took a break for 2 days. 1 because it's Halloween, and 2 because my teeth got pretty sensitive. So I'm only doing it for 45 minutes tonight, but day 3! Okay, so we are now on day 5 of the whitening treatment. I definitely think I can see improvement. Don't mind my messy hair and makeup says I'm getting ready for the night, getting ready for bed for the night, so I look like crap. But I can definitely see an improvement. I have taken a break. I took 1 day off between like 2 and 3, and then 1 day off between 4 and 5 because my teeth did get a little sensitive. Tonight I'm gonna go for an hour. I've only done an hour and 45 minutes. I've never gone beyond an hour just because it's so long to do, and it makes my teeth really sensitive the next day. So today we're going on day 5, but so far I do like it, and I'm excited to keep trying this out. Day 8, woo! I'm only gonna do it for 15 minutes today, and I know you guys have a hard time hearing me, but day 8. Alright, so I am on day 11. I'm on day 11. Day 11 of the teeth whitening process. Don't mind my shitty ass makeup. It's the end of the night. It's all getting washed off. Hair is a mess. This is how I really look when I'm not filming, just so you guys know. But I'm on day 11, and I've gone through, this is like quite a bit of these desensitizing gels. I'm about to run out. This is my last one. I still have this one of the whitening, and I have 1 more, and I'm going to be doing this one for an hour, and that's it. I've only ever done them for 45 minutes to an hour. I've never branched further than that. My teeth get really irritated, and I just have a really hard habit of chewing on it, but I'll talk about that in my video. But I just want to say day 11, last one. Yay! Over we go. 1 hour. But let me go ahead and talk into like the nitty gritty. So when I first got this box, I was really skeptical like if whether or not it would work. And then I tried it out, and the directions were very unclear for me. Like I completely botched it 100%. And I did my sensitivity gel first, and then I actually read the instructions fully because there's such like small little written instructions on like how to like do everything that I was like, wait a minute. I put the sensitivity gel first and the whitening gel. That made sense to me. And then when I read it that I did it wrong, I was like, well, shit. I should have done it the right way. And I did not do it the right way. So I had to restart it over. So then the next day I started doing it the right way. Now I've already gone through every single one of my sensitivity gel. I think I was sent like 4 in total. This is my last one. I've only gone through 1 of these. This is my second one right here. So it shows you how much I actually use the product. Now, they do recommend 45 minutes to 3 hours. They recommend starting off at 45 minutes and then working away to 3 hours. I'm sorry, but I find that to be extremely unrealistic. I could not sit there and do it for 3 hours. I could barely sit there and do it for an hour. I'm a very antsy person. I have a lot going on in my life. I'm running around. I'm constantly doing everything. I work 2 jobs, like YouTube and my other real-time job. And I don't have time to sit there for 3 hours. Not to mention, it gets very uncomfortable in the teeth. And the reason why I say that is that this little plastic right here, this like little retainer that you wear in your teeth, I find it extremely easy to just sit here and like kind of like chew on. So when it's in your mouth, I'm always like, I like grind my teeth on it. It's just because I'm trying so hard to, I guess, entertain whatever's happening in my mouth. And so I'm sort of just grinding onto it. You do kind of feel the whitening gel in there. Like at first I felt a small little burning sensations. I think that's why I grinded on there too, to help control the situation. But then I also don't like the taste of it, because the taste does get in your mouth. It's a very uncomfortable taste. And so I found it very hard to sit there for an hour. So I've always built up in my mouth so much that I was constantly having to spit it out, because I know that you can swallow it, but I was so scared of swallowing the actual whitening gel that I just constantly spit, so I didn't talk. So I only left it in my mouth for an hour. I could not go anything beyond that. Plus, I also find it very unrealistic, because everybody is so busy in their own personal lives. I don't think anyone has time to sit there for 3 hours and truly whiten your teeth. Granted, I'm sure my teeth would be a lot whiter if I did do it, but I just didn't have the time. So I literally just stuck to an hour. I did it for 11 days total. It recommends 7 to 12 days of whitening treatment to truly see a result. I did it for 11 days, and I did skip a couple days in between because my teeth started to get sensitive. I definitely would recommend using sensitivity gel. This poured out a lot easier than the actual whitening gel did. Like, this like legit poured into your actual retainer. So that's probably why I went through a lot more of this than I did the whitening stuff. But once you put this on, leave it on for 15-20 minutes, you take it off, you just literally don't rinse your mouth, you just spit out whatever's left over and just go to bed. I definitely recommend doing this right before bed, because if you're like me, I like having midnight snacks, and they recommend not eating anything or drinking until 30 minutes after use. I found it so much easier just to do it right before bed. I can definitely say that I really liked what I saw. Like, I really like the results. I can definitely see my teeth are a lot whiter than what they used to be, and I'll have before and after photos right here, but my teeth are a lot whiter than what they used to be. Is it a miracle worker? No. I'm sure if you go to like a dentist, you'll get like true like bleach white teeth like all the beauty gurus out there have. But the fact that you don't have to sit there and break the bank to do it, and you could do it in your own home, I find that to be more appealing to me than going to a dentist and sitting there for like an hour and having like a light in my teeth. I really love the process. I really love the company. They were so sweet. They worked with me very well. They're constantly checking in on me. They said if I ever ran out of any desensitizing gels or whitening gels, let them know. They have no problem replacing everything for me. They took really good care of me, and I really appreciate that factor. I messaged Emma a couple times, the person that I work with, and I was like, hey, I messed up. Like, I need your pointers on this. My teeth got really sensitive, because when you do put the whitening stuff on your teeth open up, like, your pores do open up your teeth, so it allows for pain and irritation. And so the next day when I had coffee and that heat hit my teeth, I was like, ooh, I did not like the sensation. But that's why I definitely recommend using the desensitizing gel, because the more that I use this and the more that I applied into my retainer, the better it coated my teeth and the less sensitive my teeth became. So it made it a lot easier to sit here and do the whitening stuff next day, drink hot coffee, and have no issues. I've literally noticed, even though I've been doing this every other day, my teeth have not gone back down. They've definitely stayed white and vibrant, and this is something that I'm going to continue doing as often as I can, because I really do enjoy this. It is a process, you know, it is a process having the retainer in your teeth, because it makes it very difficult for you to talk. At least for me, I had a very hard time talking in it, but I put it in. I'd either watch my TV show, play my video game, read a book, sit there for an hour, and then I go and take it off. About an hour and 20 minutes for the whole process. Again, you do not have to do it that long. You can do it however long you want to. I just highly recommend you do it, like it says, at least 45 minutes. If you guys want to see any sort of results, I definitely recommend 45 minutes. I really do enjoy it. I definitely think this worked. It definitely brought up the levels of my teeth, and I think they look a lot whiter. If you guys even commented on my videos saying your teeth look a lot whiter, are you doing anything different? Yeah, I'm doing this Smile Brilliant whitening stuff, and I think it's actually really cool. I mean, they literally fit everything to your teeth, and I like this little retainer. Like, a part of me feels like, can this straighten my bottom teeth? Like, it's so cool. You just put it in here. And this is how you are. See? And this is how I do it. I grind my teeth. That's literally what I do. Once this video's done over with, I'm still gonna keep doing this, and I bet you can go online and just order more whitening kits and more desensitizing gels, because it's such a cool little thing. I really do enjoy this product, and I know that if any of you guys out there have issues with your teeth like I do, just know that you're not alone. I will definitely say, because I'm sure I'm not the only one, I do have a root canal. I have a cavity right here that needs a root canal, and when I asked, is this safe for my cavity, they said yes. It should not have any harms with any molars, any fillers, any like caps you may have, because I do have a crown right over here. I asked if it's gonna have any issues with it, and they said no. So seeing as how I do have a cavity that needs to be filled, I do have to have a root canal done. I've done this now for over 11 days, and I've had no issues with it. It has not hurt my cavity at all. It has not made it more sensitive. It has not bothered it in the slightest. So I do want to let you guys know that if you do have cavity prone teeth, you do have cavities, it's okay. This should not hurt it. But if it does, by all means, please pull back, lessen your days, how many times you do it, and spread it out spread it out as often as you can. But yeah, definitely I noticed a difference. I mean, it's not like, I still see like yellow at the base. Like it's not truly as white as I want it to be. But I know that the more I keep doing it, the more I can progress it, the more I can get it whiter. Really, I really do love it. I really do love working with this company, and they were so sweet. Now, I know I've talked to you guys about giveaways. I do not want to really announce giveaways anymore, but there is a giveaway in this video. So Smile Brilliant knows how much I love doing giveaways, so they wanted to provide one for you guys, and it's very simple. I'm not really even doing it myself. What you guys have to do to be entered the giveaway is be subscribed to my channel and then follow the link below. Smile Brilliant is the one doing this giveaway. They are going to pick the winner in 2 weeks from now to send out the entire kit to you guys, so someone out there can enjoy this just as much as I do, and you guys get to whiten your teeth and see that it really freaking works. If you guys don't win the giveaway, don't worry, I do have a discount code below as well, so you guys want to go try this, you guys are more than welcome to use the discount code. It's not an affiliate code, so I do not get paid for it, and this is not a sponsored video at all. I just generally did enjoy working with this company. I cannot thank Smile Brilliant enough for sending this out to me. Like, it truly does mean a lot. I really do like it, and I can't wait to keep whitening my teeth. If you guys like this video, please make sure you guys give this video a cheeky thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you guys have not already, because I do post 3 to 4 videos a week. Also, make sure you guys head over to my other channel. It's Our Flow of Life. You guys can see my cool, wonderful adventures with my amazing fiance Corey, and make sure you guys check the link below, because there is a giveaway hosted by Smile Brilliant, and that link will have everything you need to be entered into this giveaway. So thank you guys so much for all your love and support. I love you guys, and I will see you guys in the very next video. Bye. Still on. Testing. Okay. We're gonna do a little and if it really is sensitive, my teeth can't. Now, throughout this whole time talking, I would definitely have, I thought it was, I just follow it so you guys can enter yourselves to win a chance of the smile. No, I had to enter this giveaway.